Hello, my name is Niall, and this is my reflection on my journey throughout this module. Over the past few weeks, I have gained valuable insights through working on a business idea, attending speaker sessions, and engaging with my lecturer and classmates. This experience has allowed me to develop my academic understanding, teamwork skills, and personal growth as an aspiring entrepreneur. One of the biggest takeaways from this module was understanding how to build a business from the ground up. Through our Limitless Adventures project, I learned how to structure a business model, conduct financial projections, and develop pricing strategies that balance affordability with profitability. Pitching this idea during a group presentation helped me refine my ability to communicate business concepts clearly and persuasively. Additionally, attending the speaker sessions with Mr. Harvey Fu and Mr. Kam Wenkon provided valuable industry insights. They shared real-world business experiences that helped me understand the challenges entrepreneurs face and the importance of adaptability and innovation. These sessions gave me a new perspective on strategic thinking and problem solving in the business world. A major success in this module was our ability to work effectively as a team. Since my group members and I had worked together before, we were able to collaborate efficiently while preparing our business report and presentation. Each of us brought different strengths to the table, which made the process smoother. However, we did face challenges, particularly in time management. Balancing research, financial calculations, and presentation preparation within the given timeline was difficult. At times, we underestimated how much effort certain tasks would take. We overcame this by setting clear deadlines and dividing tasks strategically to ensure everything was completed on time. Despite the challenges, the experience helped us strengthen our teamwork and problem-solving skills. Looking back, I realized that this module has helped me develop skills that will be useful beyond the classroom. Academically, I gained a deeper understanding of business planning, risk management, and financial forecasting. Working within my team strengthened my ability to collaborate, communicate, and solve problems collectively. On a personal level, I learned the importance of adaptability and being open to feedback, especially during our presentation. In the future, I would focus on improving my time management by planning tasks earlier and allocating more time for revisions. I would also seek more opportunities to gain insights from industry experts and professionals to further expand my understanding of business strategies. Overall, this module has been an enriching experience, and I look forward to applying these learnings in future projects. Thank you.